so. Nice.
Good afternoon. This is Christopher and Jake here at Fastlane Classic Cars, and right now, today, I have a 1965 389. Matching numbers with the transmission as well. GTO, ladies and gentlemen. What a car. When it was originally born, it was burgundy. It was, this is pretty much an all-original car other than that. Inside is terrific. 4-speed, a Muncie M220. It's a really, really nice car. $90,000 restoration was done sometime in the mid-2000s. So it's a bargain. It's bargain priced. Oh, look at that. It was originally born a 4-barrel. Now it's a tri-power. I think that's better. What about you? It's better. Beautiful car. It's Hurst equipped. And it's black. It's got a beautiful red stripe. The interior probably is the best part of the car. Let's be honest. The GoPro's not included, but everything else is. Jake, it's got factory air. I think you and I have discussed it before. We love factory air, don't we?
We do love air conditioning of any sort.
Any sort is the best. Let's go for a ride, Jake.
Sounds good. Oh,
are you joking?
Power windows.
Dude, I have a power seat.
You have a power seat?
You heard what I just said. No, you don't believe me. You don't have to.
Rear power window.
Wow. Let's do this factory air.
I can feel it on my knee.
Nice. And I don't want to hit our good friend Hot Rod. Don't you gotta love Hot Rod?
4 speeds, huh?
Yep. There's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. That's how it works, Jake.
Black on black everything, huh?
Yeah, it's the way it should have been. Now, the interior came originally in black. The exterior was originally maroon. However, these characters said repaint it and do it black. And I say that's correct. I think it looks great that way. I like the red line's natural just line on the RPM gauge. It's cool. See right there? It's kind of a cool, just a red line. That's the way they did it back then. I like highly documented cars, Jake.
Yeah, this has a lot of stuff, doesn't it?
Oh, it does. I mean, they have power seats, which is insane for the driver, and then power windows, which is really insane.
And factory air.
And factory air. Now, it came a 4-barrel, but we got tri-power on there. I don't think that's a bad thing, Jake. What about you?
No, I don't think so.
I think the name of the game here, Jake, is to keep a lot of gas in the vehicle. In case you decide that, you know, give it some beans. Wow. Wow. Jeez Louise, Jake. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to go that fast.
She sounds good.
Wow, it does. Took off like a shot.
And we got a radio in here as well.
Yep, it's an upgraded radio, AM, FM.
There's your AC controls.
Which is still blowing cold.
Grab handle. Glove box. Dash is really nice.
It is really nice. It's a really nice restoration they did in the mid-2000s. I like the big wooden steering wheel.
It's actually, the air's really cold.
It's very cold.
It works very well.
Kind of a shocker.
Shifts really smooth.
It really does. I gotta keep remembering, hey, it's only 35 miles an hour here, don't go 60. Well, it's a GTO, it's what it wants to do. I see these people driving around in their little cute cars, their little Nissan Leafs, and their Ford F-150s, and their Honda Odysseys, and I said to myself, I'd rather be driving a 65 GTO. Got some pep.
A little bit of pep.
Wow. I guess we got the soccer kids today.
Looks like it.
Guess we're gonna have to go further south for the fun part of the show. That tri-power, she do make a difference, don't she? And I love the power steering and the AC and the power seat and the this and the that and the tri-power is my favorite.
Ready for a good old-fashioned startup?
You're darn right I am. thing on the way back.
Sounds good.
It's amazing.